Welcome back again. We are here to present you the previous year question paper of B.Ed entrance examination conducted by Aligarh Muslim University. There will be 100 questions and provision for negative marking is also been there. The entrance exam in the last year was held on the date 23rd November 2020, and soon your exams will again be conducted for this year, and this time a common entrance examination for all the university could be possible. Not sure, but could be possible. Let's move ahead with the first question. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. If 1 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction became 1 by 2. Find the answer, and if you make the equation and solve this, you will find the answer 4 by 7. B. The sum of two numbers, one of which is 2 by 3 times the other one, is 60. Find the number, and after solving and constructing the equation, you will find the answer 36 and 24. A man leaves half of his property to his wife, 1/3 to his son, and the remaining to his daughter. If the daughter share is 15,000, how much money did the money leave? Okay, इसका आंसर आपका आएगा 90,000, and 90,000 will be the answer. And remember one thing, the question paper is being set on the basis that all the students, doesn't matter from which stream or course they belong, from science, commerce and arts student, the exam will be common to all. Question 4. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance between the two parallel sides is 15 meter, and the parallel side and one of the parallel side measure 20 meter. Find the other parallel side length. Answer will be 44 centimeter. If you can make an image and solve this. The rectangle paper of width 40 centimeter is rolled along its width and cylinder of radius 20 meter is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. फोल्ड करके आपका रेक्टेंगुलर पेपर को एक सिलेंडर बना दिया गया उसका 20 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस के साथ में. वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. यू विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम 17,600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. If Raju had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of his money, how much did he have in the beginning? Answer will be 2,400, because this is a very simple question. Suppose if a person has spent 75% of his salary and remaining is 600, simply show that he has 25% now, and 25% is 600, then 100% will be 2,400. And if you are to score the good in the mathematics and reasoning part, make your prepare your NCERT mathematics first till the class 8, because all the questions, sometimes many questions came directly from the NCERT in this examination, and many questions came in repeated form. A man got 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. Original salary will be 1,40,000. You can solve this also by trial and error method. If you choose to solve this first, 1,40,000, the 10% of this will be 1,04,000. If you add in this 1,04,000, you will definitely find the answer 1,54,000. Okay, let's move to next question. Anil bought a pair of skates at sale on 20% discount. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the market price. Simply answer 20% discount. ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड भी ट्राई करेंगे आप, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड द आंसर 2,000. A sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed at the rate of interest 15% per annum for 2 years. Find the simple interest of this sum, and the simple interest will be 300. Okay. Next question. Which word does not belongs with others? Answer will be the P. Punctuation is not belong to the others. Okay. Next question related to mathematics. 1/4 of a rod is yellow, 1/8 is red, 1/12 is green, and 1/16 is blue, and the remaining 138 centimeter is black. The length of the rod in centimeter is 288 centimeter. If you have the knowledge till the mathematics of class 8, and अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी knowledge है about the competitive mathematics, you will definitely solve the question in seconds, not taking a minute but in the seconds. Next question: if the numbers indicating hours on the dial of a clock are replaced clockwise by letter from English alphabet starting from B, replacing 1, which letter would replace 8? Answer D, I. If the letter in the word irrational are arranged in alphabetical order, which pair of letters would be in the middle? आप अरेंज करेंगे ना, यू सॉल्व करेंगे, यू विल फाइंड द आंसर L and N, ऑप्शन नंबर C. If the 7th day of a month is 3 days earlier than Friday, then what day will be on the 19th day of the month? Answer will be Sunday. This question belongs to reasoning. Find the number that is missing in the series 2, 7, 17, 32, 54, 52, 77. Answer will be 107. If you solve the reasoning of this question, answer will be 107, option number A. Next question: choose the correct option. This question also belongs to reasoning. Water, dam, trade, and answer will be the D, trade policy. Okay, as water is being controlled by the dam and trade controlled by the trade policy. Find the number that is missing in this series: 120, 99, 80, 63, 48, and the next number will be 35. After solving this reasoning of this question, you will find the answer A. Choose the correct option: fan, sweat, and the answer will be raindrop. ठीक है. Choose the odd one. Odd one will be the knee, because finger, palm, wrist belongs to hand and knee belongs to your legs. Antonym of abstemious will be the answer D, reserved. Reserved means to talk less. कम बोलने वाले के लिए बोलते हैं उसको. Choose the correct option: pulp, paper, hemp. If pulp made the paper and hemp made rope. Okay. Find the correct alternative: horse, foal, mare, and the correct alternative will be for this: man, child, woman. Okay, this is कहते हैं baby and they are the parents. Same in this condition. Choose the correct option: CAT, DDY, BIG. If you solve this reasoning between them, you will find the answer ACLL. Okay. All the reasoning questions are very easy. Don't be panic and anxious about the question. If you solve this, you will definitely able to solve all this question. Choose the odd one: bajra, mustard, rice, wheat. Answer will be the mustard. Mustard is the oil crop and all are the cereal crop. There are 6 children playing football, namely A, B, C, D, E, and F. A and E are brothers. F is the sister of E. C is the only son of A's uncle. B and D are the daughter of the brother of C's father. How C is related to F? इससे आप करेंगे, आपका फैमिली रिलेशन चल रहा है, यहाँ पर सॉल्व करेंगे आप इन्हें. आसान क्वेश्चन है, सॉल्व करेंगे, विल फाइंड द आंसर ए. ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस. Next question: how many times space do not to do that? Answer will be have I told you. How many times have I told you not to do that? This will be the correct answer. The cabinet warned the prime minister that if he did not accept their advice, the differences between the legislative and the executive arm of the government would be answer number D. Okay, exacerbated. Okay. Next question: the television serial are characterized by an space storyline and space plots and subplots. Answer will be A, unending, convoluted. Okay. Next question. You can do franchising if you are space to shut your space to mind thing. Willing and eyes will be the answer. You can do franchising if you are willing to shut your eyes to many things. Okay. The antonym of antidote is simply, you can find the answer, poison. Poison here is the antonym of the word antidote. Okay. Next question. In all likelihood, Harsh will get the job. Answer. There is a answer. The antonym of LA is opponent. Friend and opponent. Sava caused her parents a lot of anxiety. There is the anxiety is the answer when she was a teenager. Okay. You need to solve all these questions and try to understand, because if I try to solve all this question, it will take too much time to present all this question. Jaya knew that no to apologize would be tantamount to admitting she had failed. Okay. If a rider does not hold the bridle correctly, he can fall. Bridles मीन होता है आपका लगाम. अगर राइडर आपका राइड कर रहा है जो होल्ड नहीं करेगा ब्रिडल इन द राइट मैनर, डेफिनेटली ही विल फॉल. Next question. She is extremely hopeful about her result. Isn't she? Will be the answer. The answer is isn't she. Alright. Varun was accused to murdering his wife, and though he was acquitted, he never recovered from the shame and the स्कैंडल. उसे बरी तो कर दिया गया था लेकिन कभी निकल पाया वो किससे, शेम एंड स्कैंडल से अपने. एट दिस एज ही इज टायर्ड ऑफ हिज लाइफ. ऑफ इज द आंसर. ओके. द ऑफिसर हैज स्टेड अवे फ्रॉम overt populism such as raising the income tax exemption limit. Okay. Answer C is the answer. 40. He understood everything that was taught by me. Option number C is the correct answer here. The novel you gave me is out of no article print. Option number D is the correct answer here. The indirect speech of the sentence, he said, alas, I am undone, his answer will be C. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Okay. आपने इंग्लिश ग्रामर पढ़ी है तो आपको पता होगा ये आंसर बिल्कुल सही आ रहा है आपका. सॉरो आपका दुख के कंडीशन में यूज़ करते हैं. Distribute the apples among the children. Among, we use the among word if there are person two or more. Two, not two but more than two. ठीक है. If there are two persons, we are talking about the two, then we use the word between, and there are children. It indicates there are lots of children, so we use the word among. She is a close friend of mine. Option number D. He was sorry for what he had done. उसके लिए उसे खेद है, दुख है कि उसने जो किया. 4 is the correct option here. Dash. Although the general had been told by the field staff that continuing warfare would be detrimental to his soldiers, he insisted on deploying more battle tanks. Okay. Answer A is the correct answer here. The president has acceded to the demands to release secret documents related to the army. D here the correct option. The political discord of the 19th and 80s and 90s resulted in a civil war. Next question. 3 years have passed since Ram's mother died. D is the correct option here. Innate means acquired. So A is the correct answer here. Why do teachers use teaching aids? Teacher use teaching aids to make teaching learning interesting. क्या होगा, टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस को कई बार हमडम टाइप हो जाता है आपको, and the student didn't take interest in teaching process. So an effective teacher use the teaching aids to provide the knowledge to the students. If you get an opportunity to teach a visibly challenged student along with formal normal student, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the classroom? So best example will be to arrange a seat in front row and try to teach in a pace convenient to him. कि बच्चे ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम में हैं तो उनको क्या होगा, कोऑर्डिनेशन आपको बैठाना पड़ता है एज अ टीचर. Sometimes it's become very difficult to manage the whole class because there are many children, they have many abilities and there are individual differences between the children to manage a class properly. This is the main challenge according to me for a teacher. So if you are solving the question of teaching aptitude, assume yourself as a teacher and what will you do in a classroom situation. Okay, the question ऐसे ही कुछ आपका आता है कि आपको सोचना पड़ता है, sometimes as a children and sometimes as a teacher. The teacher primary contribution to the education of child during the supervised study period lies in improving people's study skills. C is the correct answer here. Which quality is most important for the student? हर कोई कर सकता है सब. इंडिपेंडेंट थिंकिंग ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी को होते हैं. अ स्टूडेंट इज एबल टू थिंक इंडिपेंडेंटली. रिजल्टेड होगा उसका आगे फ्यूचर में बहुत अच्छा करे वो. इंडिपेंडेंट थिंक चाहता है, हर टीचर का एम होता है कि देयर स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट टू थिंक इंडिपेंडेंटली एंड बिकम क्रिएटिव एंड पार्ट इन द रिक्रिएटिव थिंग्स. अ टीचर ऑल्सो ट्राइज इन क्लास टू मेक एंटायर टीचिंग प्रोसेस इंटरेक्टिव. ठीक है, सो क्रिएशन एंड रिक्रिएशन ऑफ समथिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप इन टीचिंग प्रोसेस. Next question, school teacher should give top priority to understand the people. People यहाँ you are, this belongs to students. Okay, to understand your people is the most you are given a top priority to in school teacher. ठीक है. A best functioning of total personality indicates mental health. D is the correct answer here. The essence of an effective classroom environment is lively स्टूडेंट टीचर इंटरेक्शन. स्टूडेंट टीचर इंटरेक्शन कैसा है, आपका कम्युनिकेशन उनका कैसा है, कैसा बिहेवियर एक दूसरे को, कि एक्चुअली में अगर क्लास अगर इंटरेक्टिव है, दिस विल हेल्प यू टू मेक अ परफेक्ट बॉन्ड बिटवीन द टीचर एंड द स्टूडेंट. बिकॉज इफ बॉन्ड बिटवीन द टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट इज नॉट गुड, then the class will be humdrum and no student will take interest in the study. Okay, dyslexia is related to reading disability. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ आपका इवन इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एंड जामिया यूनिवर्सिटी ऑल्सो, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन आई थिंक रिपीट हैज़ बीन रिपीटेड मेनी टाइम्स इन AMU also. Which one of the following is the most important element of teaching relation between teacher and student? This is the most important among all them. Okay, next question, the education that the child receive in family is informal education. There are three forms of education: formal, informal and non-formal. Non-formal simply belongs to the open schooling type. Formal education, school education. Informal education, the education you get from your environment, surrounding environment, family, neighbor, friends, etc. To make children learn more values, teachers should model the right conduct. If the teacher has the high moral values and high moral conduct, then the children easily will learn the moral conducts and values. Okay, the quality of teacher is related to reflected by the quality of question asked by the student. कैसे अगर देखो टीचिंग कितनी अच्छी रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, कितनी अच्छी क्वालिटी हुई है, तो अगर स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चनिंग कर रहा है, जो आपने पढ़ा है सीधी सी बात है, बच्चा अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा है उससे, और रोट लर्निंग नहीं कर रहा है वो. सो हेयर B is the correct option. Student who ask question in the class should be encouraged to continue asking question. Among all these options, C is the correct. आपको हमेशा प्रॉम्प्ट करना हर एक स्टूडेंट को टू आस्क मेनी क्वेश्चन एंड थिंक इंडिपेंडेंटली, critical thinking also. All right, next question. Judging the worth of all the educational outcomes brought about as a result of teaching learning process, answer will be D. Evaluation is the process. Okay, इस इवेल्यूएशन में क्या करते हैं आप, बहुत तरीके हो सकते हैं आपको इवेल्यूएट करने के, क्वेश्चन आंसर, डिस्कशन एंड ऑल्सो द एग्जामिनेशन, written examination here, and oral or verbal questioning could be possible. Next question. Classroom interaction and communication should generate idea. P is the correct option here. Verbal guidance is less effective in learning of simply skills. You can't teach any kind of skill by telling them. Suppose you want to tell craft music and you are telling them that this is the rules and principle of this craft and this is the tools, etc. No one will able to learn the skills. The skills is related to the practical aspect. If a few students in class are weak, the teacher should focus on entire class with extra guidance to weak students. This is the correct option here. Let's move to ahead. Which one of the following tests possessed highly reliability? Subjective test related to a subject. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following question is better for measuring both knowledge and understanding level of at the same time? Knowledge and understanding check करने आपको on the same time. What is the color and use of copper metal? A metal X is reddish brown in color. Identify X. Why is X used for making cooking utensils and electric wire? Here B is the correct answer. यह आपका मेमोरी लेवल पे चला जाएगा, यह आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल पे काम करेगा, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग देम सम कंडीशन. एक आर्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है रेड ब्राउन एंड फाइंड व्हाट इज दिस, एंड इफ यू कैन एबल टू फाइंड दिस गिव द एग्जांपल. ओके, कुछ ऐसा हो गया यहाँ पे. आपका सबसे अच्छा होता है टीचिंग में कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल डेवलप की जाए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वाइल इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अ टॉपिक इन द क्लास, which one of the following maxims of teaching is best way to use? This is known to know unknown. Its mean first check the previous knowledge of this class, then move to your subject or your topic. Okay, the most challenging task for a teacher is to make teaching learning process enjoyable. This is really a critical task for a teacher to make entire teaching process interactive and enjoyable. The correct and the best way to introduce a new topic to the student is by relating the previous knowledge of the student. आपके previous knowledge से relate कर दो. And this question number 17 is also related to this. These are the same question but have the different presentation aspects. Okay. 73. Which among the following is not the aim of teaching? Answer is D. To make student ready for the job market. This is not the aim of teaching. What should be the attitude of a teacher towards tuition? Answer will be option number C. He should see that he does not harm the principal of the schools. Okay. Next question. The main purpose of giving punishment to student in the class is to रिफॉर्म द ऑफेंडर. आप पनिश इसलिए नहीं करते क्योंकि आपको मज़ा आ रहा है, आप इसलिए पनिश करते हैं ताकि कुछ बिहेवियरल चेंज, अच्छे चेंज लाए जा सकें स्टूडेंट्स में. द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन द कंट्री टू इंट्रोड्यूस कंपल्सरी जेंडर एजुकेशन एट ग्रेजुएट लेवल. आंसर विल बी डी. एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 76 to 100 will be the educational current affairs. So in this question Telangana is the correct answer. It means the compulsory gender education at graduate level. Who is the chairman of 61st Central Advisory Board of Education? It is also called CAB. Shri Prakash Javadekar was chairing 61st CAB meeting. Okay. The UGC came into existence of 28 December 1953. 1953 में आपकी फॉर्म हो गए थे दिसंबर में आपके UGC. Next question, who is heading a 9-member education panel to frame a new educational policy? It was held by K. Kasturi Rangan, K. Kasturi Rangan, not Ranjan. Next question, main governing body in India for tertiary education is UGC. UGC is responsible for governing body in India for tertiary education. Okay, which online teacher education portal was launched by HRD Ministry for Diet? It was Perception. Okay, let's move ahead to next question. Where did PM Modi unveil the first Indian Institute of Skill on 19 December 2016? It was कानपुर. कानपुर में आपका पहला आपका स्किल इंस्टीट्यूट खुला है, कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश. ओके. India's rank in Human Development Index HDI in 2016 was 131. This question belongs to educational current affairs, so focus on all the current affairs related to India and education current affairs also. There are less chance to talk about international current affairs, but really, read all the educational current affairs which can relate India to other countries also. Okay. The Bollywood movie Hindi medium is based on Right to Education Act. ओके, इससे भी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट एक्चुअली में कब आया था, क्या था ये. सो आपको पता होने चाहिए. रीड ऑल द एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज, अमेंडमेंट रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन. ठीक, go to HRD site and read all the higher education and school education programs. Many questions are being presented in this question paper from the HRD site. Next question, a dedicated web portal launched by Union Government in 2017 for monitoring the progress of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. It was Shagun. Okay, option A. The first country to be connected to National Knowledge Network (NKN), National Knowledge Network, through its ऑप्टिकल फाइबर नेटवर्क. इट वॉज श्रीलंका. ये आप करंट अफेयर से था, एजुकेशन से कहीं ना कहीं रिलेट करता है. द नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम NSS अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स वाज लॉन्च्ड इन विच ईयर? द ईयर वाज 1969. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेशनल यूथ डे ऑब्जर्व्ड अक्रॉस इंडिया ऑन 12 जनवरी टू commemorate the birth anniversary of which famous Indian personality? It was Swami Vivekanand. We celebrate National Youth Day every year on 12th February, remembering Swami Vivekanand. Which of the following is not an advisory board to education? HRD Ministry या बोलें MHRD Ministry is not an advisory board to education. The Planning Commission of India is named as Niti Aayog. Everyone knows this. Who advocated for craft center education? He was Mahatma Gandhi in the Nai Talim basic education in 1911. इसमें गोखले थे, गोखले प्लान भी कुछ लेकर आए थे, थोड़ा अलग का है. I not sure about the date, but it was the policy was basic education और नई तालीम. गांधी जी नई तालीम पॉलिसी थी जो, उसमें गांधी जी ने बोला था एवरी काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन शुड बी इम्पार्टेड थ्रू स्किल्स, और क्राफ्ट सेंटर होनी चाहिए. बोलें स्किल्स, किस तरह की स्किल सिखा के एजुकेशन इनको प्रमोट किया जाए. विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज सेट टू स्टार्ट द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट IT कैंपस फॉर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पर्सन? दिस इज तेलंगाना. तेलंगाना इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस सिस्टम. स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं एक्चुअली पहले. Name the search engine designed exclusively for the student community with information related to education. It is option number B, School जी. अजीब सा नाम है. School girl. Sorry, can't pronounce in your own way. Next question, the central government scheme Udan is meant for the skill development of unemployed youth of Jammu and Kashmir. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किए स्कीम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में टू रिड्यूस द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयड यूथ इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Swachh Vidyalaya initiative was launched in which year? In 2014, Swachh Vidyalaya mission was initiated. Okay. The headquarters of the National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC is situated at Bangalore. Bangalore here is the correct answer. So after reading this question, you will be able to judge what kind of question are mostly came in this entrance exam paper conducted by अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी. इसमें आप हेडक्वार्टर्स, ओपनिंग कुछ भी पूछ सकता है, तो आप तैयार रहिए. स्लोगन ऑफ स्वयं प्रोग्राम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज शिक्षित भारत उन्नत भारत. दिस इज द स्लोगन ऑफ द स्वयं. Go to Swayam portal and read the schemes, programs of the Swayam also, because sometime question came from this also. ये स्वयं आपका एक ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम है. ओके, ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्रोग्राम है, आप वहाँ से जाकर लर्न कर सकते हैं. द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी 2017 अवार्ड इज़ वॉन बाय जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी. उन्होंने वॉन किया था इस अवार्ड को इन 2017. विच स्टेट स्टूडेंट कैन नाउ डाउनलोड स्कूल बुक्स फ्रॉम एन ई टेक्स्ट बुक पोर्टल. द स्टेट इज़ हरियाणा. हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रही ई टेक्स्ट बुक्स फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, and the last question of this question paper is, which state is planning to set up India's first textile industry? It is Gujarat. Gujarat has planning to first textile industry in India. Okay, so friends, this was all this question, 100 question as I presented to you. I hope all the question will help you to find the structure of the question paper, how the MU decide the question paper, and all the question you're going to solve are very easy. 25 marks belongs to educational current affairs, same 25 for English, 25 for reasoning and mathematics, and 25 educational current affairs. There are 4 sections. If you read the syllabus, there are 4 sections, and each section contains 25 marks. Okay, 25 into 4 we can say. And the question paper is being same for all the aspirants. Doesn't matter they are belongs to science category, commerce or arts. This is a common interest examination for all, and is interesting thing that if you can score 80 plus, I think you will able to get the opportunity to get direct admission in the Aligarh Muslim University main branch in Aligarh. And if you are getting less than 80, I think you can get the opportunity to take admission in the West Bengal or South branch. But try to score more than 80 marks. It is not difficult to get 80 marks in this paper, because exams are very easy, and the student who give this question paper to me, but he charge some cost to me. Okay, he already get admission in the Aligarh Muslim University. I don't know in the main branch or the other branch, but he get able to get the admission. Okay, so thank you for the watching. Subscribe for more updates.